Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Brandon Orr. I am the founder and owner of a commercial cleaning company called Cure Cleaning. But today, what I want to talk to you guys about is how to manifest greatness in your business, guys. Every achievement that we've seen in our company thus far since starting has been from manifesting. And what I want to do is share with you guys how to do that. How do you actually exercise your greatness and implement things into your business, right? So I'm going to give you 3 tips today to be able to do that. So first thing is, God has given each and every one of us magnificent talents called spiritual gifts, where you can utilize these things in your life, right? And if you don't utilize these things in your life, you'll be underperforming. You'll be selling yourself short. Oftentimes we have these goals and these dreams, and we beat our heads against the wall trying to figure things out when the roadmap and the plan has already been written. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is, you want to be able to surround yourself. You want to be able to surround yourself with positive minded people. Sometimes the place that you are trying to go in business or in life requires change. Not sometimes, but all the time. The day you make a decision to be an entrepreneur, to be a business owner, that is the day you have to become someone else, right? Not in a negative sense, but you definitely have to become a different person to be able to get to the place you want to be. You can't expect to become whatever you want to become with piss poor environment or piss poor work ethic, right? So when you place yourself in a realm of people similar to where you are trying to go, or people similar to you, they could be in different business industries, they could have a totally different outlook on business or whatever, but when you place yourselves in a room with people who have similar minds in the sense of achieving greatness, and when you want to exercise greatness within your business, within your life, it helps to be in a circle of people and an environment of people who give off that energy. When you walk into that room, all of y'all could have different business ideas and different businesses and different industries, but when you walk in a room full of people and you all are exercising greatness in your business, that feeds off, that rubs off. Similar to when you're hanging around people who aren't doing anything in life, who have no goals, no dreams, nothing going on, that could rub off on you as well. And it can be tough when you're trying to hit your life goals if you are surrounded in an environment that does not exercise the things that you are trying to exercise in your life. I'm not saying you got to cut everybody off or cut off your closest homeboy who ain't doing nothing. I'm not saying that, but you have to be cognizant of the time that you spend and who you spend it with, right? Because it can impact your thinking, it can impact your outcome. So remember that everything that you put in your mind, everything that you consume will change the trajectory of how you think and how you produce. So if you're looking at positive videos, if you are looking at hanging around positive people, being in positive environments, that has a positive outcome on your daily activity and on your progress. All right. And I'm talking to my cleaning business owners. If you own any other business and you come across this video, it applies there too. It's the same concept. Write down your goals, talk to God about your goals, pray over your goals, pray with your partner over your goals and dreams. And the second one is watch your environment, watch what you consume, and watch where you place yourself, watch where you place your mind, watch what you're putting in your brain. All right. Watch positive, productive videos, watch some life coaching videos. Everything is on YouTube that you need. And then the third thing I would say is, a lot of times we pay attention to what's not happening in our business. We'll pay attention to, hey, my numbers are down, the numbers. Or we'll pay attention to, man, I'm not getting any, and this is for my cleaning business folks, we're not getting any walkthroughs. Man, I've been cold calling, or I've been passing out flyers, or I've been doing this, I've been doing that. I've been doing everything I can, and I can't even get on a walkthrough. Nobody's calling me back. Let's take a step back, right? We want to take a step back at that point, okay? And what we want to do is revisit God again. Keep God in the center of your business. You want to build a kingdom-based business, right? So that means nothing, no exterior thing outside of your business can bring you down. Nothing can hurt you, nothing can harm you, nothing can stop you, because you have the power of God behind you to be able to perform how you want to perform. Sometimes you got to take a step back, and instead of yelling the numbers of this, or I haven't done this, or I can't get that, yo, God, I told you my goals. This is what's up. I told you what was up. This is what I want to do. I need your help. Sometimes we got to talk to God like that. We got to be honest with God. We got to be honest with ourselves. Hey, this is tough for me. All right, this is tough. I need you to introduce me to the people that I need to be introduced to so that I can perform well and so that I could get some walkthroughs for my business. All right. Now, I ask that you remove any anxiety, remove any fear from my heart so that I can go after this thing the way I need to go after it with a fearless mindset. Man, when you sit down with God for about 10, 15 minutes and talk to God in that type of way, have a business meeting with God, just like you do any other place with any other person. You have business meetings. Have a business meeting with God. God, this what's up. Hey, this what's up. Come talk to me, right? And these are the challenges I'm having within my business, within myself. And if you're having challenges at home with marriage or partnership, something like that, throw that in there too. All right, because God is our ultimate counselor. God is our ultimate business advisor. Is God, right? Because in the Bible, they talk about money in the Bible. I forgot how many times they talk about money in the Bible, but there's a lot. They talk about money in business a whole lot in the Bible, right? So you want to be able to tap into your inner spiritual. And then what's going to happen is once you get upstairs straight, once you get your mind straight, once you get spiritually solid, right, to the point where nothing on the exterior can faze you, right? No matter what happens to you, you are so solid and so spiritually strong and mentally strong. No obstacle on the outside of your body, of your temple, can affect you, right? Nothing can affect you at that point. So when you've built that up, and it takes time, when you've built that up, you can go after whatever you want to go after. And what's going to happen is once you start telling yourself, hey, this is what, writing your goals down, this is what I need to do. And don't focus on a goal, focus on the tasks. So for all you 2025, Happy New Year people, resolution, and this is what I want to, don't focus on a goal, focus on a task, okay? Because goals are achieved by accomplishing a number of tasks. Okay, so break it down into tasks. 100,000 this year. I want to be a six-figure cleaning business owner. What you want to do is write down a series of tasks that you need to do to be able to achieve that one goal. Okay, so you break it down all the way down to the task level. What should you be doing every single week? What should you be doing every single day? Right? What should you be doing every single hour? Okay, I have my tasks here. And I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a cleaning business planner that I created. And I break down my tasks by hour to help me achieve my goals. The go-getter planner for cleaning business owners, okay? And I break down all these different daily activities that you can do in your cleaning business to yield success. These are different tasks that you can do in your cleaning business to yield success, okay? Email outreach, prospect follow-up, hit up a networking event, you go door to door, pass out some flyers. You can have a client meeting. You can have a meeting with somebody that's already a client with you and you know see how the services are going, and then you can pull referrals from them. Okay, you could get introductions rather better than referrals. That's what I've learned from someone else. Okay, all right, when you sit down and actually write your goals out, that helps you to perform better because now it's up here, now it's on paper. You have it on paper and now you have it in your brain. Okay, and you got to speak it. So now you see it, you think it, and then when you speak it, that is 3 different ways that this goal is going through your mind, going through your body, going through your mouth, going through your words, everything, guys. And that help every time you visualize, speak, see this goal, greater your chances are of achieving this goal. Okay, walkthrough appointment will solve every problem you got in your business, right? A closed deal, because walkthrough appointments lead to closed deals, right? So you got to get on more walkthrough appointments. And when you make mistakes on those appointments, you get better from every mistake. Okay, if you don't close the deal, ask the prospect, hey, what could I have done differently to earn your business? And 9 times out of 10, they will share with you what you could have done differently. Okay, so if you want this planner, I'm gonna drop a link down below for you to get this planner, guys. And said, break your goals down into achievable tasks. Okay, every day, how long each task works. You want to pray over your goals. You want to get in the right environment. You want to start attracting. You want to start to attract what you want, exactly what you want. You want to be able to attract that. Okay, that you need to meet. You're going to start to attract that, the deals, the type of clients that you want to clean for, that you want to have within your business. You're going to be able to attract that. It's going to come, but we got to get our upstairs right. We got to get solid. We got to get so spiritually solid and mentally solid that we have an unwavering and fearless attitude going after this thing, right? Because it's extremely hard. And then the last thing, we want to have fun with this thing. It's tough, so we got to make sure that we're having fun with it. We got to make sure that we're not getting down on ourselves and beating ourselves up, right? Because once you hit that mental funk and that mental wall, it's so tough to get up out of that. It's so tough to pull yourself out of that. All right, so let's have fun with this thing. Let's get our mind right. Let's ask God to continue to reveal what our spiritual gift is so that we may be able to use that within our business. All right, and let's start to attract exactly what we want in our business, exactly what we want in our life, so that we could perform extremely well for ourselves, for our family, and for in our community as well. Hey, my name is Brandon, or if you found any value in this, do me a favor, send it to somebody that you know. Also, go ahead and like it and drop a comment. All right, let me know how I did. Drop a comment down below and share it with somebody. All right, and subscribe to my channel too. Help me get my subscribers up. Help me get my subscribers up. Go ahead and hit that button. I appreciate you guys. Brandon Orr, I'm out.